In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview files in Google Drive using a feature known as Hovercards. This is a simple, yet powerful tool that can greatly enhance your efficiency when managing files in Google Drive. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or another favorite of yours, the process remains the same. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Google homepage and type Google Drive into the search bar. This will bring up all related results. Look for the link that leads you to Google Drive, typically identified with the URL starting with drive.google.com. It's usually one of the top results, so you shouldn't have to scroll far to find it. Once you've clicked on the correct link, you'll either be directed straight into your Google Drive account, or you might need to log in. For many of us, Google's ecosystem integrates quite seamlessly, so you might find yourself already logged in with your existing Google account. If that's the case, you can immediately proceed. If not, simply enter your credentials, and you'll gain access to your Drive. Now that you're in Google Drive, you'll see a list of your folders and files. This is where we get into the main feature I want to highlight today. With your files laid out before you, hover your cursor over any file icon. You'll want to keep it stationary, just over the icon for a second or two. This is where the magic happens. As you hold your cursor in place, a hover card will appear, floating gently just above the file. You're probably wondering what kind of information does this hover card reveal? Well, the hover card provides you with a quick snapshot of the file without having to open it. It displays a thumbnail preview, giving you a visual clue of the file's content. Additionally, it includes the file name, its folder location within your Drive, and the time it was last edited. This hover card is especially handy for those of us who need to navigate large numbers of files quickly, and there's an additional perk. The hover card also presents you with an option to add the file to your starred folder. The starred folder is a great way to keep your most frequently accessed files at the ready, saving you even more time in the future. With this knowledge, you can now use hover cards to preview your files quickly and efficiently, helping you manage your Google Drive with ease and precision. It's a small feature, but one that can make a significant difference in your productivity. So, next time you log into Google Drive, make sure to make full use of these hover cards. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on getting the best out of Google Drive and other digital tools.